Little Wriggler, play and learn.
You ready? Go! Okay. Now what one are you going to do first?
Fire truck.
Fire truck.
You forgot to turn the one around.
Alright then. What are you doing?
It goes with here.
Oh, you're going to do the wheels first.
Yeah.
That's the edge bit. Is it the edge bit? On it. Number 10 on the front of the cab. Is that the front of the cab? Okay.
That means yes. Starting means yes.
And what is that, the dog? What kind of dog is it? Can you remember? It's a white and black spotty dog, and it's called a Dalmatian.
Oh, Dalmatian.
Okay, what's next?
That.
And the back.
That.
What's that on the back on the side of the truck? On the side of the fire engine?
Ladder.
A ladder. Okay. Back.
The rails.
Okay, the rails. Okay. And what else? That. And that's the fire. There's a fire in the building. Oh, the dog was looking at the fire in the building, isn't it? Do you remember what the type of dog is? We call it a breed. Do you remember what it's called? It's called a Dalmatian.
Dalmatian.
That's a big white dog with black spots. A Dalmatian. And that's the siren, the light, and what's that?
A horn.
The horn. Cool. Okay, so let's put that one there. What are you going to do next?
Train.
Train next. Is that in the same order as the picture?
Yeah.
Fire engine first, and then train. And what kind of train is this?
Old-style steam train.
Old-style steam train. Yeah, you're right though. It was also called what? Also called a locomotive. That's what you were going to say, wasn't it?
Yeah. Also called a locomotive.
So you're going to do the bottom, the wheels again first? Now, what's next? You're going to finish the front of the train?
Oh, this bit. This goes here.
Yeah.
This goes here.
What's the man holding in his hand?
The red light.
A red light. He's the signal man. He's called the signal man.
He's called the signal man.
Oh, what's that? This is the cylinder. No. What are we looking for now? The cab? Looking for the cab with that's the engine driver, isn't it?
Now to do the very top.
The very top. Where are you going to start?
Here.
Okay. That's the top of the cab. Is that right?
No, the bells.
The bells, okay.
These are the bells of the locomotive.
And that's the bell. That's the bell there.
And these are also bells.
Are they? Okay. What's this called?
Smokestack.
Smokestack.
Finished.
Finished. Okay, good. Now what's next?
Scuba. I think this is scuba 7.
Okay, school bus. That's the front. Is that the front or the back? And what's that?
Driver.
Driver. And that's the front that's the bonnet. Is that called the bonnet? The bonnet or the hood if you're in America. What's the number on it?
26.
26. 2, 6, 26. Okay.
2, 6 makes 26.
That's right. Oh, that's the rest of the children. Okay. Now, what's that bit?
The
Corner, top corner.
very top.
That's a building. What building is it, do you think?
It's a school.
It's a school. How do you know it's a school?
Look, there's books up here.
Oh, there's books up there. Oh, right. So many books. Oh, it must be a school. That's where the school bus goes to drop off all the children. All done.
Walk to school.
Well done. Okay, so you got one last one.
Oh no. I'm got to go to school.
Okay. Now, last one. You can turn it all out.
The picture says green line first.
Green line. That's the grass, I think. It's a racing car.
Picture says green line first.
Green line first. Green line is supposed to be grass at the edge of the track. This is a car on a racing track. A racing car on a racing track.
No, it's a road.
A road, yeah.
You mean what? You
Okay.
forgot to say road.
All right, so we're going to do the wheels again at the bottom. Start at the bottom again. All right, very good. And then the corner bit. Corner bit finishes the base. Okay, now what are we going to do? What's next? Finish the front wheel. Oh, that's the front of the car, yeah. That's called the bonnet or
There's
the
2
hood.
flags.
Yeah, that's called the checkered flag. That's for when you win the race, they wave the checkered flag. You match it up. Oh, that's the front wheel. Okay. The back of the car. And what's that at the back of the car? What's that called?
Boy,
Spoiler, that's right.
we nearly finished. I picked this one.
That finishes the checkered flag. Good. And now you're going to finish the bit beside it. Yeah, okay. That looks like a fence at the top, is it? It looks like a fence. And that's the roof of the car. And then last bit is the corner. And you're all done. Do you want to put it with the rest? Where do you want to put it?
I want to use the white. Finish!
And what's this?
My truck.
And what's this?
Locomotive steam train.
And what's this? School bus. And the last one, oops. And the last one is
Racing car.
racing car. Race. Well done. All done.